in the pool.
What? New backpack?
A new backpack.
This is to...
Mine's broken.
Oh no, this isn't for school. This is for when we go places you put stuff in.
What's this?
They're glow sticks.
That's what I wanted.
That's what you want.
How did he know what you wanted?
Another glow stick?
Look, I give one for Aiden
Oh, that's
and
nice.
me. Because I got two, you know. One like
Whoa, that
cars.
was cool.
I always love cars.
Cookies?
That's what I always wanted.
What? A big airplane?
Oh, airplane.
Dad,
Yeah.
this is for you.
For me?
Yeah, to play with.
Okay. We'll play the... Oh, my leg. We'll
Put
play
it
again.
over your hair.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mommy.
Yeah. Another one.
Good morning, Mommy. What else did you get?
That's a cookies and cream bunny. That's a backpack that you can bring when we go everywhere. Look, it's Disney. It's from when you saw Mickey Mouse.
Disney Mouse. Disney Mouse.
So you can, when we go to your cousin's today, you can put all your stuff in your backpack. And bring it.
Yeah, to play with.
Yeah.
Let's see you guys. With so much stuff.
I know. What are you going to play with first?
Now you wait for Eden basket.
Let's wait till he wakes up. We'll wait a couple minutes.
Okay.
You want to put this together with Daddy?
No, because I'm just sucking it in. That is awesome.
Okay, leave Aiden's stuff in there.
Look!
Leave Aiden's stuff in
He
there.
wants to look at you.
I gotta take a picture of it. We'll wait till he wakes up. You can do it.
Say, thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Mr. Banana.
Look, there's the Easter Bunny. He's in a cage.
Oh, I found one more.
What?
More money. Okay. More money.
Is that the Easter Bunny? It doesn't look like it. Look, Easter Bunny.